na hindi ikaw ang best option for her survival and procreation or pleasure. Okay? Kaya gusto nila ng lalaking nagsisignal ng strength. Kasi he will make her feel secured, safe. Okay? Doon lang sila bubukaka for their procreation, for the procreation and for pleasure. Yun lang yung yung mga lalaking bibigyan nila ng access. Okay? Sa legs nila. So, ang pinaka-root cause nito ay yung tinatawag nating hypergamy. So, mas laliman pa natin ng onte. So, ang pinaka-root cause nito ay yung tinatawag nating hypergamy. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam ng word na hypergamy, hypergamy is defined as women wanting what they cannot have or what they do not have access to. That's why women always want to date up. Okay? Gusto nila ng lalaki na mas mataas sa kanila, na mas above kaysa sa kanila. Yung king. Okay? Ayaw nila ng alipin. Ito sila, queen. Gusto nila yung king. Ayaw nila ng alipin. Okay? Yung mga babaeng gusto maging sila yung nasa taas, sila yung nasa control, yung mga independent woman, kuno, tas hahanap sila ng babae na parang alipin lang nila. Sila pa yung hindi masaya sa relationship. Okay, sila pa yung naloloko, ewan kung kasi they're trying to control, alam mo yon. So, pinakagusto talaga nila is lalaking yung king, yung nasa pedestal. Alright? So, para mas-satisfy mo yung hypergamy, kailangan mas-signal mo na mas high value ka kaysa sa kanya. Okay? Ayoko na masyadong ginagamit yung term na high value, pero in order for you to